Dance for KK. Get up here. Dance for KK. Dance for KK. Hey, hey, get over there. You don't leave a lady while she...
Not much of a ladies' man, huh?
Maybe that's the problem. He is much of a ladies' man. Get over here. Come here, KK. Dance for KK. That's what his problem is. He's ready to go dance with all the other females. Dance with her.
He pushes her away. Okay, where's the next girl?
Come here, come dance with mommy. Come dance with mommy. Okay, I'm out of that way. Hey! Come here.
Sit on him.
Sit on it.
Dance with her. Oh, that did not hurt. This is totally going to get Facebooked. Get off of that. That's dangerous. No, no.
Dance with me?
Get down. That'll hurt. That hurts. Get off of that.
Come here.
Go to mama.
Come here. You want bone? You want bone? Come here. No, come here.
Mama got phones.
Come here. Hey, you need to dance with Sissy.
Go dance with KK. I'm totally going to YouTube this.